In this video, I'm going to show you another extremely useful tip that should be of interest to everyone. At one time or another, we've all had this happen in our electronic devices using alkaline batteries. In this case, it is a AA alkaline, one of the most common batteries used. You can see right here we have this mess on the battery, and what this is a strong base. People think battery, they think acid, but it's a strong base. It's highly caustic. If you touch it, make sure you wash your hands very quickly. And when this leaks, it corrodes the battery connection. So between the terminals of the battery and the metal plates inside your electronic device, those can easily corrode. You can strip off the plating, and sometimes I've even seen the wire connected to the metal plates or the terminals. Those get chewed away, and the worst case of all is when it leaks and finds its way inside the device to the circuit board, causing irreversible damage. I'm going to show you something very simple that you can do to protect your AA devices that are not high drain or devices that you use infrequently, such as, in my case, electronic testers. Let's pop this out, move it off to the side. Some crud in there. If you get flaking like you see right here inside this device, just turn it upside down, shake it out. If you see any liquid on the terminals or inside on the plastic, take a Q-tip, very gently dry the areas, and then you want to take a Q-tip with just a little bit of white vinegar on it, and you want to wipe over those battery connections, so each one of these terminals, if there was a leak, and just gently wipe over the bottom, and then you can dry it with a cloth or a Q-tip. In order to protect your devices, you're going to need a battery tube. Now this is a AAA that creates a AA battery. So you're going to pop that open. The only difference is you're going to have reduced capacity, but that's not a big problem if you're using remote controls, electronic testers, or any other kind of electronic gadget that is not a high power consumption device. You're going to take the tube, pop it open. You're going to cut a piece of paper towel like you see right here. You're going to make it just a little bit longer than the battery, and then you're going to wrap that AAA in it nice and tight. Then you're going to slide it back into the tube. You're going to end up with this right here. In the event the AAA alkaline battery leaks, it's not going to get anywhere near your device because the paper is going to absorb any of that strong base solution that comes out of that battery, and it's going to be contained inside the plastic housing. Very simple, and just pop it in your device, and everything is going to work exactly the way it did before. The only difference, it's not going to last as long as a AA battery. But the level of protection that you're going to get from this is more important than having that longer capacity. You could easily swap out the AAAs when the battery becomes depleted. I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you did, be sure to rate, thumbs up, and share. Thanks for watching.